In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Telegram downloaded files on Android. The first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and actually go to the Google Play Store. And then we need to go ahead and look for an application called File Manager. File Manager will organize all of our files, and it can even help you find files you normally wouldn't be able to. So you just want to go ahead and select on that. Make sure you download this particular File Manager app. It is called File Manager Plus, and it does have this profile picture. It is completely for free. After you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on open. When you open up File Manager, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. It will basically give you all the files throughout your Android device. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look through images. So if you did download images from Telegram, it will actually appear right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. And from here, you are able to actually see your Telegram downloaded file. But if you downloaded a video, then you should be able to find it after you go ahead and press on videos. And then there is going to be a folder called Telegram. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on that. And from there, you're able to go ahead and access the downloaded files. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.